how to create a kid's storybook with Canva and ChatGPT and then publish it on Amazon KDP. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a children's storybook using Canva and ChatGPT and then self-publish it on Amazon KDP step by step. Whether you are a writer, parent, educator, or just curious about AI tools, this guide will walk you through the entire process from story creation to publication. Now, you will learn how to use ChatGPT to generate fun and age appropriate stories and design your book in Canva. And then, even if you are not a good designer, you can create a good book in Canva. Then you can upload and publish your book on Amazon KDP for free. This is perfect if you are looking to turn your creativity into passive income. You can build your brand or just have fun making something meaningful. If you don't know what is a storybook for kids, so head over to Amazon to see the examples. Click on the story, search for storybooks for kids. Now, just search it, and you will get to see a lot of storybooks which are over here. As you can see here, they have made a lot of sales. Like this one is made 5.8K, and this is for $11. So you can create like these storyboards or storybooks to and just sell it on Amazon, and you can make passive income from it. I will show entire process how you can do that. First thing first, what you have to do is first identity and then story generation with your chat GPT. Now what you have to do, head over to chat GPT and start a new chat using prompt. Let's give you an example. Go to chat GPT, and then first we will create a story. So what I will do, I will just simply click on this search bar and write. I will give you the prompt, give you the short tip. I will give the prompt to chat GPT to write a good story. Write a short children's story book for, okay. Now this is the prompt which I have given to chat GPT. Now, whenever you click on this button, the ChatGPT will instantly generate a story for you. You can then refine it by asking make a story shorter and add moral at the end, or you can add simplify the vocabulary for young readers. I will not do that. So if you want to do, you can define this story into multiple stages. You can do like chapter wise as well. If you want to do, you can create good story out of from ChatGPT. So just for example, I will use this one. I will not refine the story. Now you can even generate illustration prompt little like describe an image of the fox discovering the hidden treasure in the forest. Take your time tweaking the story so it feels unique, engaging, and age appropriate. So what I'm going to do, I will just simply add one more prompt, make it large story. So I will give this prompt so I can make larger story. So if you don't know, ChatGPT can create images as well. So if you want images for your story, you can just simply type create images for the first paragraph, or create image for the second paragraph, or you can create illustration as well. And then you can add that illustration into your Canva. First, we will make the story, then we will go further. As you can see here, we have successfully created our story. This is just example. So the story is not that great. What I'm going to do is just make a separate Google Docs to just paste it, this story over there. So I can create images for that. So what you have to do, uh, you can use different kind of images as well. I will use ChatGPT for that. But if you want to use different AI, you can use it to create illustration. So I have created this Google Docs. So what I'm going to do is just copy this all of the paragraph and make illustration images out of it using Canva. You can use different, as I said, you can use different kind of AIs to create your images. But for now, I will use Canva. Oh, sorry, ChatGPT. So as you can see here, I have created some of illustrations using this kid illustration image, and then I have given this a paragraph, so he get the context of how he can create that image. So what I'm gonna do is just simply download these images which I have created using ChatGPT. You can use any AI to create your images. This is just for tutorial purposes, so it doesn't matter. I will not focus on the quality of the images, but you have to focus on the quality of the images. So what I'm going to do is just simply download these images fast, and then we will use into this Canva. So after creating these images, what you have to do is, let's create a storybook into Canva. So what you have to do is head over to Canva design over here and click on this create button in the top left, and something will pop up in front of you. Now what you have to do is search for storybook, and then it will give you the 8 by 8 something like this, or you can search for a template as well. Click on the template and search for storybooks, and something like this it will appear in front of you. Search it, wait for a few seconds. You will get the option of create blank storybook in the left side, as you can see here, and these are some canvas. So what I'm going to do, I will, instead of using these templates, I will use create a blank storybook. Simply click on it and it will take you to this editor of Canva where you can create or add new pages into your Canva. You can take inspirations from others. So let's say I will use this one for the inspiration. Click on the customize this template, click on it, and it will take you to this editor. First, we will create cover page. Right now, I haven't generated any cover page. So what I am going to do is just simply create a for cover page for this story. Make sure it is illustration. Now, first, what you have to do is in the left side, we have to upload our images, which we have generated earlier. So in order to do that, just simply click on this upload and search for your images, which you have created earlier, and just upload it. After the searching images, as you can see here, I am uploading these images. In the left side, you will get the process bar.